Hello everyone, welcome to the Night Sky Tournament Rookie Division. Here I'm going to show you hole 7 for the hole-in-one. We're not going to be playing the rough bump with the sniper because the wind's going to be high, so we're going to do the alternative shot. So let's take a look. So we've got a wind of 5.1. Now we can't play this rough bump here because we won't be able to pull back enough with the marlin ball. So I'm going to be using my backbone 9 and the marlin ball. I'm going to do 3.8 backspin and about 0.2 right spin. I'm going to aim my ball guide aiming at the hole about a square and a half short. I'm going to adjust my rings at plus 10% at max distance. Then we're just going to hit perfect.
Perfect shot.
The ball bounces over onto the green and rolls in right in the middle. Booyah! So that's the alternative to the sniper rough bump with a higher wind. I hope this video helps. You can press like, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to bringing you more videos in the future. So good luck with this hole, guys. I'll see you on the next one.